ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi A bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakam benya kol hai kini ke number harum. Kumulong lem kiwe ke MIT University na Meghalaya hakasan trip ujuliu kala rakhe ke sengi penne pensa ya ke Mariang ni ke World Environment Day na ke penlong ke jing rakhe ba bonjan ya ke ni ke jing rakhe la plipat ba maran football hakashnong mokasyang hakba ki kena Pule lem beginong trek university haringka bagi pat ba no shoshnong lembar urang bashnong klewan lang da ke jing tumuan penne pensa ya ke Mariang Hagan ke sengi jang jing rakhe bat penne pensa ya ke Mariang kladan ke jing thung ya kiten riding bat berok be shim bentag le shim ya ke Kular ban penne pensa ya ke Pynjyrngam jang ke Mariang Hagan ke jing rakhe orang bashnong gashnong umro mo kasyang uba basil nong bri lowani shim benta bat ke skol ba ban thung ding haringkat lang baru pro vice chancellor Dr. Deb Malia Bhattacharya
Come on, clap louder. Sir, एक फोटो. Now, when we plant these trees, I want you guys to keep one thing in mind. This is a small way of your returning, giving back something to the nature. So please, when you are planting that tree, plant it with respect, plant it with care. Because this planet has given us that care, we should give a bit back to it. Okay? Now I request PVC sir and Basu to please come forward and start the plantation process.
We affirm our commitment to a healthier planet. Through our daily actions. And institutional practices. We recognize the critical importance of our individual and collective roles. Exhausting
Registration.
On this day, amidst the hum of the city that never sleeps. Today, we tell a tale of not just stone and earth, but of silence and scream. A tale of nature's silent struggle against the relentless march of human ambition.
Mariang and assisted by Samla and Divyak sir. The scripting was done by Mr. Divyak Sarkar and the production is taken care by Mr. Divyak Sarkar and Samla.
Bye everyone. Why did you stop?